Okay, hello guys, it's me, and I'm gonna be playing bedwars with Jack again. Okay, I'm getting in. Okay, I hope we win this. If we win this, then that'll be a miracle. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna fall right into the void and just die. Can I go out and get diamonds this time? Jack, can I go out and get diamonds? Okay, don't worry, I try my best not to run that much. 4, and then I've got enough. Okay, now I've definitely got 4. Item shop. Wool. Rob pink team. The diamond said this way, come on. And I haven't covered the bed up either. Okay, I'm gonna need a bit more iron. I didn't quite make it to the diamonds. I got us, how many diamonds did I get us? 3 diamonds. And I made it back successfully. Team upgrades, and I'm gonna buy us a forge. Wait, what? Did I? Oh, okay. I'm gonna need to get a bit more some stuff. Okay, I've got some wool to cover up the bed with. Even though it already is covered up. White said we want no trouble. Yeah, I got 2 diamonds. Oh, so that we can have like something else covering up the end stone. I'm doing this so that we have something covering up the end stone. Oh, okay. Why are you breaking it? I know, but we can put that over this. Oh. Cheers. Nowhere near though. By the time I get to you, you're probably going to be done. Okay, I'm buying cheese now. Okay. Wait, you're already done? How? Okay. Control iron. Alright. You're still muted. You're still muted. Hello? Okay, that's alright. I've already placed them down. Yes, I've already placed them down. Oh, okay. I'm buying some more. Oh, okay. Now, oh, I can afford some wood. I've got some wood for us to put over. Like, over. Wait, that's not where you buy a sword. Okay, I've got one. Oh, okay. Meal. That, and then 5 gold for a knockback stick. I'm gonna need 5 gold. Not in desperate need anyway. Okay, I'm gonna get us a bit more. Someone's here! I don't know. Oh no. I'll get some more blast-proof glass. Okay, this. Yes, we've got it. Her bed's now protected. Where? Here, where I'm standing. It's already there. Yeah. Gray's coming up! Gray's right there. I know. Same. I know that. They can't do it though. I died. And I kind of never respawned. You died? Oh no, they didn't continue destroying our bed though. Oh no. We definitely need some more blast-proof glass and some, wool. Do you have any blast-proof glass? Okay, I have more wool as well. Okay, I'm gonna go get some wood. Oh, it's just, for gold. What? Fireball! Are you fighting? Okay. Okay, don't worry, I'm here. I killed them! They were acting like I was a hacker though. No, they were acting like I was a hacker. I was like, ha ha! Okay, more wool. Huh? Okay. Wait. I see them. Grey bed was destroyed. We can kill Grey, then they're dead. Yes, they're dead. They're dead forever. They're dead forever. Why? They are. They're coming and they have diamond stuff. What the? One hacked. I'm not accusing everyone. They're destruction. Daddy. Yeah, that was bad. Good game. Are we gonna play again? Yeah, sure. The video's got a bit of time left. Huh? Am I still recording? Yeah? Yeah, I won't be for long. Okay. The video will end in about 3 minutes, but let's just play while we can. I know. Okay. I am talking with Jack, yes. It's just, you guys can't hear him. Yes. We're here. For then I can protect the bed. Some of the red teams are connected. Yeah. Oh yeah, I didn't get the rest of the wool. Oopsies. Looks like I'm gonna need to get the rest of the wool before I can do anything else. I thought that like you were an enemy, like so I'm like, Jack, an enemy just walked into our base and didn't even head for our bed. Like that would have been 100% me. And I've started doing on wood. Man, we're gonna need a forge. Did you buy the first forge? Yeah, okay, we're gonna need another forge. We're gonna need a golden. 19. I need one more gold.